As we move through the day-to-day stresses in our lives, we can unknowingly attract or pick up and embed electromagnetic debris from our environment and also the people around us. In addition to this, we can create this kind of garbage ourselves from our negative hostile thoughts and also the reactions to our experiences. When this energy builds up, it can make us fatigued, restless, irritable, depressed, or even disoriented. Eventually, if this energy embeds into our physical body, it can cause aching, soreness, or hypersensitivity in the tissues. Laura Lee Mystica developed this method of energy eviction during her years as a reflexologist and having many close encounters with body workers. It came to head when one therapist started pulling the debris off, starting at the shoulder and going down toward the hand. It felt so good to finally have this energy pulled out, but then the therapist reversed the direction and pushed it all back up to the shoulder and left it there. This was the impetus for this full method to be developed and perfected to what it is today. Another method Laura Lee developed is a compression, rotation and vibration technique that, if done correctly, can give instant pain relief. You can even do it on yourself. You will learn not only these methods, but also see firsthand a demonstration in how directional non-force chiropractic and musculoskeletal balancing works. This is the last class in the Knight's Training Academy. This method, believe it or not, can also be done remotely and on animals with excellent outcomes. Note: Ulmarasite rocks or pendant are mandatory for this class, as you will be putting the debris into the rocks for neutralization, instead of, as some therapists do, flicking it off and into the room, which then pollutes the room and puts you at risk of getting the debris stuck on you again. Debris sweeping for stress and pain release is one more magical tool you will acquire to put in your Knight's tool chest. Kind of like being a first responder / paramedic for someone else who is in trauma or pain, and you can be the rescue remedy.